Hello my dear students, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to explain you the difference between draft, bill and act. So what is the difference between draft, bill and act? What is draft, what is bill, what is act? So before we understand about draft, bill and act, we must understand that who governs our country, isn't it? So government is there. So government is the one who governs the entire country. Okay, so government has three organs: legislature, executive, judiciary. Okay, legislature make laws, executive implement laws, judiciary interpret laws. So in legislature, parliament is there, state legislatures are there. Okay, executive, president, prime minister, council of ministers. If you come down to the state level, chief minister, council of ministers. Judiciary, supreme court is there, high court is there, and subordinate courts. Okay, so we'll focus mostly on the process of passing a bill and making it into an act. There is always a confusion between bill and act. Student, they take both this term as synonyms. It is not so, my dear. Okay, bill is different, act is different. So let me explain you the entire process of making an act. Okay, how laws are passed in our country. Okay, first of all, a draft is been prepared. Okay, so draft is been prepared. What is draft? So definitely it is a policy, it is a guideline or an objective. What is the main objective of the draft? The draft later on, which will become an act, what will be the objective? What should be the objective that we have to understand? So within draft, policy is there, guidelines, certain guidelines are there, and objectives are there. So once this draft, okay, once this draft is introduced in the parliament, okay, when this draft is introduced in the parliament, then and there it becomes a bill. So when this draft is introduced in the parliament, that is Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha, then this draft will be known as bill. Okay, so when this bill is in the house, that is Lok Sabha or either in Rajya Sabha, so what will happen? Debate will take place, discussion will take place. Then after debate, discussion and almost touching each and every points of that draft, that is the bill, voting will be done. Oppositions will be there, government will be there. Each and every member of the parliament, they'll participate in debate and discussion over the bill. So after the bill, first reading, second reading, third reading is over, voting will be done. So once this voting is done, bill will be passed from Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha. Then after getting bill passed from both the houses, Lok Sabha is there, Rajya Sabha is there. If the bill is introduced in Lok Sabha, then it will be sent to Rajya Sabha for recommendation. Okay, so if the bill is introduced in Rajya Sabha, after the entire procedure of debate discussion, it will be sent back to Lok Sabha for recommendation. So if this bill is passed from both the houses, that is Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, okay, it will be sent to the president. The bill will be sent to the president for his final assent. So if the president assents the bill or the president passes the bill, okay, then this bill will become a act. So bill, when it is signed by the president, when it is authenticated by the president, when it is signed by the president, this bill will become an act. This bill will become act. So this is the process of law making. So this is the process of a legislature. So making law. So making law goes through three stages. First one is draft, then second one is bill. When the bill draft is presented in the parliament, it will be called as a bill. Once the bill is passed from both the houses, it will be sent to the president. Okay, it will be sent to the president. So once the president assents the bill, this bill will become a act. It will be passed. So once the bill is passed, by the president, signed by the president, it will be called as an act. The first stage is a draft, second stage is a bill, okay, then the third one is the act. So this bill passed by both the houses and authenticated by the president will be called as a act. कानून बन जाएगा. Okay, so now this act is to be implemented. So it is a duty of the executive to implement the act. That is a law. We can call it as a law also. Act is also a law. Okay, so this implementation of law will be done by the executive. Hope you all have understood it. Thank you for watching. Take care. Stay safe. Bye bye.